how to fix brother printer is offline issue. So if you want to fix your brother printer is offline issue, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your control panel. So search for control panel, and in control panel you will find an option of view by, which will be in the top right corner of your screen. You need to just click on it, and then you will find two options, which is large and small icons. So make sure it is set to the large icons. Now in here you need to click for devices and printers, which will be right here. Just click on it and then click on the printer that's having the issue. Let's go with printers and scanners and then click on the printer. And once you click on the printer that's having the issue, you'll find all of these options pop up, or just simply right click on it and then you will find the printer properties. Once you find the printer properties, you need to just simply go reports. In here, make sure there is a check mark in the number 1. You will find ports with different numbers. Simply make sure that there's a check mark, click on apply and then press OK. After that, you need to just go back and then right click on your display and refresh it. And then you're good to go. That's how you can fix the brother printer offline issue. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.